Today, I'm going to show you how to change your newsletter name on Beehiiv in just a few simple steps. If you're rebranding, updating your publication identity, or just want a cleaner name for your audience, this is one of the fastest settings you can adjust inside your Beehiiv account. The best part is that Beehiiv makes this really easy and you do not need to go through a complicated setup or make any technical changes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account using the email and password connected to your publication. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This is where Beehiiv keeps most of the important publication level options, including your newsletter name, branding, and general account details. Now, before you make any changes, make sure you have selected the correct publication if you manage more than one newsletter. This is really important because if you have multiple publications inside the same account, you want to be editing the right one. Double check the publication name at the top or in the publication selector so you know you're working in the correct place. After that, the General Info tab should open automatically. This is the section where Beehiiv stores your basic publication settings. Here, you'll see the field labeled Publication Name. This is the name that appears as your newsletter title, so this is the exact field you need to update. Click inside the Publication Name field, delete the current newsletter name, and then type in your new newsletter name. Take a moment to make sure the spelling is correct and that the name matches the brand or identity you want to use going forward. If you want to keep it short, clear, and memorable, this is the best place to do it. Once you've entered the new name, simply wait a few seconds. Beehiiv will save the change automatically, so you usually do not need to press a separate save button. This auto-save feature is very convenient, but it's still a good idea to pause for a moment and let the platform finish updating everything in the background. After that, look for the success message that confirms the update. That message is your sign that the newsletter name has been changed successfully. If you don't see it right away, give it a few more seconds and refresh the page if needed. And that's it. Your Beehiiv newsletter name has now been updated. This is a quick but important change, especially if you're building a brand, making your publication look more professional, or simply correcting the name of your newsletter. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Beehiiv or newsletter growth tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.